Last evening, viewers, the visuals that you are now going to see on your screens of an ASI rank police officer running in full speed when confronted by the media outside the CBI office in Kolkata sparked a lot of conversation. This man is Anup Datta, an ASI with the Kolkata police. He is under CBI scanner because they suspect that the arrested rape accused Sanjay Roy had slept in his room after raping and killing the 31-year-old trainee doctor at the RG Kar Medical Hospital on the 8th of August. Before we get you more updates on ASI Anup Datta's questioning, let's play out the sequence of how he ran from the media when he was questioned about his alleged proximity to the rape accused Sanjay Roy.
বাবু অনুবাবু একটু দাঁড়িয়ে যান পড়ে যাবেন দাঁড়িয়ে যান বাবু বলে দিতে কি হচ্ছে সঞ্জয়কে কবে থেকে চিনতেন পড়ে যাবেন কবে থেকে চিনতেন পড়ে যাবেন দাদা পড়ে যাবেন আস্তে নিচে
So you saw how he ran yesterday evening. Times Now has accessed two pictures which reveal rape-accused Sanjay Roy's proximity with ASI Anup Datta. Look at the pictures that we are showing to you on your screens. One seems to be a selfie showing rape and murder-accused Sanjay Roy and ASI Anup Datta in the same frame, possibly part of the same friends group. In the other picture, in the other group that you can see, both the men are seen holding a cup, possibly after some sort of an event they were a part of. Now imagine, viewers, a man accused of such a horrendous crime, a man who allegedly raped and brutalized a young doctor at her workplace, has close links with the men part of the Kolkata police force. The same police force that West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has given a clean chit. Now, these are the pictures that we have accessed, and these are very, very important because these clearly establish that both these, Sanjay Roy, the key accused, and the ASI Anup Datta, who was questioned by the CBI in this case yesterday, had close links. Now, sources are telling Times Now about the details of ASI Anup Datta's questioning. Sources say that ASI Anup Datta was grilled for over 8 hours by the CBI yesterday, and the possibility of him being questioned again is not ruled out. He was questioned about his purported links with the arrested rape accused Sanjay Roy. CBI is also trying to find out how did Roy, who's a civic police volunteer, have such free access in the RG Kar Medical College. CBI reportedly asked ASI Anup Datta when did he learn about the crime. On Sunday, CBI also forensically examined the barracks where prime accused Sanjay Roy slept after committing the ghastly crime on the 4th floor of the RG Kar Medical College. Sources are also telling us that the bike that Sanjay Roy was using was allegedly given to him by the same man, ASI Anup Datta, the same man whose corruption and illegality has been exposed here on Times Now. He is the same man whose conduct has been questioned by both the High Court and the Supreme Court of India. Today, after the directives of the Supreme Court, CISF officers reached the RG Kar Medical College. They took over the security. They also examined the premises of the hospital.
Let us do our job. We have come for some job here, assignment. Please let us do our job. Let us finish our job. Then whatever you want to know, our senior officers will brief you. I am doing my job, which has been mandated by higher authority. So let me do our job. Whatever input you require, it will be given to you once we do our job.
So that was the first reaction that we got after the CISF took over the security of the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. Remember yesterday when the Supreme Court of India was hearing the matter, this was one of the directives that was given that CISF is going to take over the security. And now we